Bajaj Freedom is world's first fully grounded-up CNG motorcycle, and its CNG cylinder is OEM factory-fitted and fully integrated with the product. Freedom runs on both petrol and CNG. It comes with fully digital speedometer with Bluetooth connectivity for features such as call alerts with caller ID, missed call notifications, side stand indicator and battery life indicator. 2-liter auxiliary petrol tank, LED headlamp, wide handlebar, 16-inch rear wheel, long seat, and monolink type suspension adds more comfort while driving. The bike is powered with a 125cc, single-cylinder, 4-stroke, air-cooled engine that produces a maximum power of 9.5 PS at 8,000 rpm and peak torque of 9.7 Nm at 5,000 rpm, linked to a 5-speed gearbox. CNG tank capacity is 2 kg and auxiliary petrol tank capacity is 2 liters. Drive range on 2 kg CNG is 200 km, that is 100 km per kg, and drive range on petrol is 130 km, that is 65 km per litre. Mileage on petrol. Safety features include Protective Trellis Frame, PESO Certified CNG Cylinder, fork sleeves protector that protect shocks from dust and muck. Curb weight is 149 kilograms. Ground clearance is 170 millimeters. Wheelbase is 1340 millimeters. Service interval is every 5,000 kilometers.